Free AI video tools are disappearing fast. Every new AI video generator launches, goes viral, and then suddenly gets locked behind an expensive subscription.
But what if I told you there are still some powerful AI video tools that are completely free to use? In this video, I'm sharing the best free AI video generators that most people don't know about. And trust me, some of these tools will blow your mind. Let's get started.
So the first tool we're going to be using is Upsampler AI. So go to Google and search for Upsampler AI and hit on enter. And it's going to bring you here. Go ahead and click on the free AI video generator and it will take you to this interface. So this tool is a no sign up AI video generation tool. As you can see here, it says no sign up, which means you can test this tool, play around with it without even signing up. So you're going to come back to this part that has your input image. Click on it and select your image. Once your image is uploaded, you're going to come over to this prompt section and put in your prompt. After putting in your prompt over here at the prompt section, you're going to come over to your aspect ratio. They have a lot of aspect ratio. They have the landscape and the portrait. So I'm going to be going with the portrait. After doing that, just go over to generate video. Begin generating your video, and it is going to begin generating your video in a few seconds. Our video is done generating, so let's quickly hear what it sounds like.
This tool is so stressful.
You should watch this video. The tools are free.
You can see how amazing this sounds. Perfect audio sounds, sweet cinematic movements, and amazing quality. Once you're done, all you're just going to do is to come over to this part, hit on download, and go ahead to download your video. You would have to download it immediately since you're not logged in, so you don't lose your work. So the second AI tool we're going to be trying out is VAR AI. So go ahead to search on VAR AI on Google, and you're going to come over to this part that has image to video generator. We're going to be using the image part of this. They have a lot of tools that we can use. They have the text to image, they have the text to video, image to image, and a lot more. But we're going to be testing the image to video. So you're going to come over to this part that has select image to select your images. Once your images is uploaded, come over to this prompt section and just put in your prompt. I'm going to go just put in something simple. One of the trick to using this tool is not to overcomplicate the prompt. So I'm just going to go ahead to using something like this. It could be longer. They accommodate as much as 5,000 words. But one of the tricks to using this is to make sure the prompt is as simple so as to get amazing results. So once you hit on generate, it is going to begin generating. And once it is done, this is our video here. Now, I actually think that this is amazing, but this is something that you could just try out and tweak. They're pretty much good, but not as good as Upscaler. So we're going to move over to a third tool, and this third tool is my favorite. So go ahead and search for Degen AI. This is one tool I use to create a lot of my avatar videos for free. So you're going to go ahead and click on this first link in here, and it is going to take you to this interface. For this tool, you would have to log in with your email address so that you have access to their video generation model. So once you've logged in, go ahead and click on this plus sign to upload your image. Once you've uploaded it, go ahead to put in your prompt. If you notice, you're going to see that it is my initial avatar, the avatar that is in the intro of this video that I'm using to test run this, so that you see how good this tool is. Among all the tools, this is one of my favorite tools. So after doing this, go ahead and copy your prompt and put it in the prompt section. And once that is done, this is the generate bar here. Go ahead and click on generate. We're going to leave the model as it is because this is their latest model, and this latest model supports audio version, which means it is going to have perfect lip sync. And after doing that, just go over to the side and hit on generate. It is going to take a few minutes. Once it is done, this is the result you should get.
So guys, hope you are enjoying this video. Do not forget to subscribe and let me know which tool you love more.
You can see how amazing this sounds with amazing lip sync, audio, and movement. So this is really amazing if you want an intro video for your podcast, and this can also work for any kind of AI videos at all. And this was generated for absolutely free. And I think you get 100 credits, but I didn't use any credit to generate this at all. This was generated for free without touching the credits that I have here. So as at the time of this video, This tool is free and unlimited. I've used it times without number. And if you notice, you'll see that your video comes with a watermark. You can always use a free watermark remover to pull it out, or just expand it on your editing tool until the part that has the watermark is no longer showing. We're going to move to the next tool, and this is also an amazing tool, a tool that has helped me out a lot and that I love so much. So you're going to go over to your browser and search for ZSKYAI, hit on enter, and you're going to go ahead and click on this first one in here, and it will take you to this interface. Now, this is not like the first two interface where you can use for free. For this, you would have to sign up. So go ahead and click on start for free. So once you're logged in, you're going to see this interface. You can see how amazing this interface looks like. These are other videos that were generated by other creators like you using this platform. This just shows the kind of creativity that is in here, and it helps bring your creativity to life. Now, once you're signed in for free, it is going to give you free 200 credits. Now, it has this part that has refer and earn. So if you're to invite a friend, you get extra credit and unlimited generation. Now, I love that the interface is quite clean and simple. And if you ask me, I would say this is one of the most attractive AI interface tool you're going to see of recent. So if you come over here and click on the create icon, it is going to take you to this interface where you can decide to create images, create videos, and then create different scenes. See why I said this is one of my favorite tools? It also have the aspect ratio. You can click to select the aspect ratio. This supports 9:16 and 16:9 aspect ratio. I'm going to stick with the 9:16 aspect ratio. And then you can choose your model. You can either choose that you want it at 720p, 1080p, or 4K, which is the 2160p. So for this, we're going to try the text to video. So I'm going to come over here and paste in my prompt. I'm going to go ahead to select my aspect ratio and leave it at 9:16. Ensure that every setting is set, and come over to this part and hit on generate. And our video is already generated. If you want to skip the wait, you can go for their pro plan, but I am just going to use their free version for now. So now the free version literally took less than a minute, and this is the result of the video. Just click on it. Now, I like that this ZKAI has the watermark at the back, so you can always cut that off when you're editing. And to download this video, come over to this part that has download to download, and you're good to go. So let me know what you think about all these tools that I've mentioned. If you've tried them out, let me know which one is your favorite, and I'll see you in my next video. Do not forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.